Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be doing this quick graphic liner, kind of cut crease look using majority of Illamasqua products. These were gifted to me. Thank you so much, Illamasqua. I love your products. I've been a user of your products for a very long time, and I really appreciate everything that you sent to me. Hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe. Watch all the way through to the end to see how I created it, and let's get started. So I'm gonna take the color Navy by Illamasqua, and what you can do is kind of look in the mirror and see kind of where you want the wing to go and make a little mark. Just so you know basically where you want that line to be. And then you just pull up and out. If it's not exactly where you want it, you can use a Q-tip or your finger. And then from that outer corner, the same pencil, I'm gonna bring it to where my crease starts. So just start pulling that in. Just kind of get an idea, because then you can always go back in and clean it up. See how it goes right towards that outer corner, not all the way. So now you're gonna start pulling the color in. You want it nice and crisp on the outside, but then just kind of like fill it in. You can make it a little bit messy. I'm gonna take this little brush from Prados Beauty, and I just wanna blur that line as it's coming into the lid. Same color, Navy. I'm gonna color in the inner corner. Same thing, small brush. And just blend that where the lid meets the color. I need my glasses. I have no idea what this says. So this is Iconic Chrome Pigment Paint from Illamasqua in the color Captivating. Same brush that you use to blur, you're gonna go into that pot. You wanna concentrate it mainly in that center panel, so you get that pop, and it catches the light. And then you can start bringing it, not all the way. You don't want to cover all that color, but you want to marry those two. So I like to use products in multiple areas. That way it's like you have more bang for your buck. So this is Nude 2 by KKW Beauty. It's such a pretty nude color. So I'll use it as my bottom liner and then just smudge it a little bit with my finger. You can also use a small brush. But I like that it just gives a little bit of casts a little bit of a shadow. It doesn't take away from the color or what you do up top. Just gives a little bit of a shadow to make the eye a bit bigger. So with the same color, I use it as my lip pencil because it's technically a lip pencil. Do at your own risk. I don't know if it's tested for the eye area. So I just throw that on, blend it with my finger, glasses back on. This is the Hydra Lip Tint by Illamasqua as well in the color Plum. I find this to be super hydrating, and it's also really cool because it just kind of plays with color theory, so the colors blend together onto your lip. It just creates a really pretty neutral. And of course, add your mascara. I already have some on. Throw a little bit more on because I can never have enough mascara. This is Superhero by It Cosmetics. Just do that top and bottom. And there you have it. This is just a quick couple products, graphic liner look, catches the light. It's just quick, easy, simple, pretty, makes a statement. I link all of the products in the description box below, so you can just go down there and click away if you want to find what products that I was using and where to get them. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like these quick makeup tutorials, please like and subscribe. It means a lot to me. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks, bye.